Open page 39. Open page number 39 of your English textbook. Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our next lecture of English. Children, before moving to the next lesson, let's do a small revision of what we have learned yesterday. Children, yesterday we have learned the lesson word house. What have we learned in this lesson, children? In this lesson, we have learned the words related to home, numbers, body parts, and clothes. Let's do a small revision of this lesson before we move further. Children, on page number 38 of your English textbook, you can see there 4 yellow circles are given and some lines are drawn in that circles. Okay, and in the middle page of the in the middle part of the page, you can see some words are given. The words related to home, you should write in the home column. The words related to number should be written in the number column. The words related to body parts should be written in the body parts circle. And the words related to clothes should be written in the clothes circle. Understood? 4 circles are given, children, in this page. And in the middle part of the page, some words are given. These words are all mixed. Some words are related to home. Some words are related to numbers. Some words are related to body parts. And some words are related to clothes. The words that are related to home should be written in the home circle. And the words related to numbers should be written in the number circle. And the words related to body parts should be written in the body parts circle, and the words related to clothes should be written in the clothes circle. So this is what we have to do. You have to write all this in pencil only. Okay, for you to understand it better, children, I have made a table. Pay attention to the table, okay, and see what things I have written in which column. Okay, see here, I have made a table for you to understand, children. In this table, you can see 4 columns are there. The first column is for home. The words related to home should all be written in the home column. The second column is of numbers. The words related to number should be written in the number column. It may be number name or only number. All the words related to numbers should be written in the number column. The words related to body parts should be written in the body parts column, and the words related to clothes should be written in the clothes column. Okay, children, all of you check your answers, those who have already written. Okay, in the home circle, you will write the words mother, cupboard, TV, kitchen. Father and spoon will also come in the home column. Then class, bag, hall, and bed. All this will come in the home column. Those who have written yesterday this, you can check your answers. Those who have not written, all of you see in the first circle, that is home circle, you will write the words which I am written in the home column, one below the other. Okay, if you see that there is not enough space, then you can put a comma and you can write the words. Okay, I will read it once more. All of you pay attention. Mother, cupboard, TV, kitchen. Father and spoon will also come in the home column. Then glass, bag, hall, and bed. All this will come in the home column. Then the next column is for numbers. The words that you will write in the number circle are 5, 4, number name of 3, then first and 1. All of you see the second column. What words will come in the number circle? The words 5, 4, 3, first and 1. All this will come in the number circle. See, the next column is for body parts. What will you write in this circle, children? The words that are related to the names of your body parts will come in the body parts circle. I will read the different words. Foot, stomach, knee, eyes, shoulder, wrist, elbow, and head. All these are different parts of your body. So all this will come in the body parts circle. The words foot, stomach, knee, eyes, shoulder, wrist, elbow, and head are all the names of your different body parts. So all this will come in the body parts circle. Next is clothes. You can see the last circle on page number 38 is for clothes. What will come in this circle, children? The words coat, raincoat, shirt, scarf, sari, socks, and dress will come in the clothes circle. The words coat, raincoat, shirt, scarf, sari, socks, and dress will come in the clothes circle. So, what we have done in this lesson, children, on page number 38, 4 circles are given, and on these 4 circles, you can see 4 different words are given. And in the middle part of the page, you can see some words are also given. All the words are mixed up. Some words are related to the home column. Some words are related to the number column. And some words are related to body parts column. And in the last, you can see some words are related to the clothes column. So what you will do, you will pick out the words and write in the circles. Which word you will write in the home column? The words related to home, you will write in the home circle. The words related to number, you will write in the number circle. The words related to body parts, you will write in the body parts circle. And the words related to clothes, you will write in the clothes circle. So this is what you are supposed to do, and this is what we have learned yesterday. Now, we will all move to the next lesson, lesson number 7. See the next page, page number 39. Children, all can see on page number 39. We will begin with the lesson bicycle. What is this picture? The picture is of a bicycle. All of the children, almost all the children like to ride on a bicycle, isn't it? So in this lesson, what we are going to learn, children? In this lesson, we are going to learn about two friends and a bicycle. This is a lesson about two friends and one bicycle. What are we going to learn in this lesson, children? In this lesson, we are going to learn that we should not fight with our friends. In fact, we should not fight with anyone. And we also learn that we should share our things with everyone. We should share our things with everyone. Okay. So this is what we are going to learn in this lesson. I will first give you a small introduction of what we are going to learn in this lesson. This lesson is about two friends. The name of the two friends are Raj and Bharat. One of them has a bicycle. Okay, so they are good friends. Raj and Bharat are good friends, and one of them has a bicycle. So what happens one day? Both of them enjoy riding bicycle. So what happens one day? Both want to ride the bicycle at the same time. Both Raj and Bharat want to ride the bicycle at the same time. So they began to fight and they began shouting. Let's read the lesson and find out what happens in the end. I will read the lesson. All of you pay attention. Keep your fingers on the lines as I read. Okay? Name of the lesson is bicycle. What is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is bicycle. I will read the lesson now. Raj is on the bicycle. Bharat wants it. Okay, you can see here, two boys are there. They are good friends. The name of one is Raj and the name of the other boy is Bharat. So Raj and Bharat are good friends. See, one of them has a bicycle. Okay, Raj is on the bicycle. You can see in the picture, the boy who is riding the bicycle here, his name is Raj. What is the name of this boy? The name of this boy is Raj. He is riding the bicycle. So, who is Bharat then? The boy in blue t-shirt. You can see here, this boy is Bharat. The name of this boy is Bharat. And this is Raj. So Raj is riding the bicycle. Bharat wants it. Bharat pushes Raj off and rides the bicycle. So children, what we see here, Bharat also wants to ride the bicycle at the same time. Bharat also wants to ride the bicycle at the same time. But he did not request Raj, but he pushes Raj. You can see in this picture, Bharat is pushing Raj. Bharat is pushing Raj. So this is the wrong way of asking something, children, isn't it? So instead of asking Raj for the bicycle, Bharat pushes Raj. Bharat pushes Raj off and rides the bicycle. So he pushes Raj and see here, you can see Bharat is riding the bicycle. Okay. Next line. How does Raj feel? How does Bharat feel? Raj, Raj cries. He feels sad and angry. What do you think will happen next? So you can see here, two friends. They are good friends, but now they are fighting for the bicycle. Why they are fighting for the want to ride the bicycle at the same time? Children, is it possible? No, it is not possible. Why? Because they have only one bicycle and both want to ride the bicycle at the same time. So they began to fight. Instead of requesting, Raj pushes, Bharat pushes Raj and he rides the bicycle. So what you can see in the next line, how does Raj feel? How does Bharat feel? You can see both are sad and angry. By looking at the faces of Raj and Bharat, we can find that both Raj and Bharat are sad and angry. What do you think will happen next? Let's read and find out. Raj grabs the bicycle back. Raj and Varad shout. Sushma madam comes over. Raj, you look upset. And Varad, you seem angry. I want the bicycle, said Varad. I was on the bicycle. You pushed me. Don't do that, said Raj. So what happens? Children, both are angry now. Both are angry and sad. So why they are angry? Because both Raj and Varad want to ride the bicycle at the same time. But what does Varad do? Varad pushes Raj and you can see he is riding the bicycle. So what does Raj do now? He grabs the bicycle. That means he takes the bicycle forcefully. Okay. Then what happens? Raj and Varad began to shout. You can see they both are fighting. Both are fighting, and while fighting, they are also shouting. So what happens next? Sushma madam comes over. You can see Sushma madam. Who is this lady, children? This is Sushma madam. Maybe she is one of the teacher in their school. So what happens when they are fighting? You can see their madam is passing by. And what does that madam tell? Raj, you look upset, and Varad, you seem angry. When they are both shouting and fighting, Sushma madam passes over and she says, Raj, you look upset. Upset means sad. And Varad, you seem angry. So when they are fighting, they are not fighting silently, children. Raj and Varad, when they are fighting, they are shouting also. And when Sushma madam passes over, she asks Raj, Raj, you look upset. Upset means sad. And she asks Varad, you seem angry. I want the bicycle, said Varad. Then what did Varad say? I want the bicycle. Then what did Raj reply? I want the bicycle. You pushed me. Don't do that, said Raj. I want the bicycle, said Varad. What did Varad say to Sushma madam? He says that I want the bicycle. Then Raj replies, I was on the bicycle. You pushed me. Don't do that again. So you can see here, first Raj was there on the bicycle. So Raj is telling, I was on the bicycle. You pushed me. Don't do that again. Then see the next lines. Raj and Varad both want the bicycle. What could they do? Varad can have the bicycle when I have finished my turn. I will ride 3 times, said Raj. Then it is your turn. Okay, I will count. So what happens, children? Raj and Bharat both want the bicycle at the same time. So far what we have understood, that Raj and Bharat are fighting for the bicycle. And why they fight? Because Raj and Bharat want the bicycle at the same time. What could they do? See the next line. Bharat can have the bicycle when I have finished my turn. I will ride 3 times, said Raj. Then it is your turn. Okay, I will count. So children, after they have finished fighting, Bharat said that, Raj says, Bharat can have the bicycle when I have finished my turn. So what does Raj says? Bharat, you can have the bicycle when I finished my turn. You will ride 3 times. Then I will ride 3 times. Then it is your turn. Okay, I will count. So children, when they are fighting, you can see there Sushma madam is passing over. She sees both Raj and Bharat fighting. She asks them, what is wrong with you? Then Raj says that he was on the bicycle first. Bharat, why did you push me? He says to Bharat, don't do it again. Then you can see they have come to one solution. They have come to one solution. What is the solution, children? Raj is telling Bharat that you can ride the bicycle when I finish my turn. What is Raj telling to Bharat? That you can ride the bicycle when I finish the turn. I will ride 3 times, then you can ride. Then Bharat says, okay, I will count. They have worked it out. Raj is having a turn on the bicycle. Now it is Bharat's turn. They both had a turn. How is Raj feeling now? How is Bharat feeling now? Children, so they have worked it out. Worked it out means they have found a solution. Okay, what is the solution? You can see here. First, Raj is riding the bicycle. Then after Raj finishes, you can see here, afterwards Bharat is riding the bicycle, and in this way, both get the chance to ride the bicycle. You can see Raj is having a turn on the bicycle. That means first Raj is having a ride on the bicycle. Then Bharat is having his turn. Then in this way, both are having a good ride on the bicycle. Now you can see both Raj and Bharat, both are happy. How is Raj feeling now? How is Bharat feeling now? They are both enjoying and both are happy. Children, so what we learn in this lesson, children, in this lesson, we learn that we should not fight with our friends and we should share our things with our friends. And children, even if we fight sometimes with our friends, we should sit down and we should come to a solution. We should talk and we should come to a solution. Raj and Bharat were both fighting for the bicycle, but afterwards they come to a solution. What is the solution? First, Raj rides the bicycle, then Bharat rides the bicycle, and in this turn, in this way, both get the chance to enjoy and have fun. So this is what we learn in this lesson. You can see there below some questions are given. Okay, I will read them. Who is on the bicycle? You can see in the first place, Raj is in the bicycle. How does Raj, what does Raj grab back? Raj grabs the bicycle back. What do Raj and Varan want? Raj and Bharat both want the bicycle. How many rounds do Raj and Bharat have? The answer is 3 rounds. How many rounds do Raj and Bharat have? We have read in the lesson that both Raj and Bharat have 3 rounds. Children, you can see here 2 faces are given. One face is happy and one face is sad. When you share things with others, you also feel happy. But when you fight with others, you can see all are sad and angry. So children, as far as possible, you should share your things with others so that you and others are also happy. I will ask you something. When you get a chocolate, you feel happy, isn't it? When you share your things, you feel happy. When you help your friend, you feel happy. When you lose your pencil, you feel sad. So what are you supposed to do in the boxes, children? If it is happy, then you will draw a smiley face. And if it is sad, then you will draw a sad face. If it is happy, in the blank, you will write here happy. And if it is sad, then you will write here sad. Okay? Children, this is what you have to do here. Okay? Children, I will explain the lesson once again. Those who have joined late the lecture or those who have missed out something, you can pay attention now. Those who have joined the lecture late, please pay attention now as I read and explain the lesson once again. Okay? Today, children, we have read and learned about the lesson bicycle. It is the 7th lesson of your English textbook. Unit number 4, lesson number 7, bicycle. What are we going to learn in this lesson, children? In this lesson, we learn about two friends. The name of one is Raj and the other is Varad. Okay, so Raj and Varad are good friends. One of them has a bicycle. Whose bicycle it is, children, we don't know. That is not mentioned in the lesson, but one of them has a bicycle. They are good friends, but one day what happens? But one day what happens? Both want to ride the bicycle at the same time. So they began to fight. What happens? One day both want to ride the bicycle at the same time. So they began to fight. You can see here two friends are fighting. Why? Because both want to ride the bicycle at the same time. Let's read the lesson and find out what happens in the end. I will read the lesson. All of you, please pay attention. Name of the lesson, bicycle. Raj is on the bicycle. Bharat wants it. So what you understand from these two lines? Raj is on the bicycle. That means the name of this boy is Raj. The boy with the red t-shirt, his name is Raj. What he is doing, children? He is riding a bicycle. Then what happens? Varad wants it. You can see there is one more boy here. The boy in blue color t-shirt, his name is Varad. He also wants to ride the bicycle at the same time. What is happening here? When Raj is riding the bicycle, Bharat also wants to ride the bicycle at the same time. Bharat pushes Raj off and rides the bicycle. Children, Bharat also wants to ride the bicycle. But what did he do, children? He did not ask Raj nicely, but he pushes. What did Varad do? Varad pushes Raj off and rides the bicycle. Children, we have learned in the earlier lessons that if we want something from someone, we should use the word please. We should use the word please if we want something from someone. But here you can see Varad is not requesting Raj, but he pushes. You can see here Varad is pushing Raj from the bicycle, and then you can see he is riding the bicycle. This is wrong, children. When you want something from someone, you should request it. Okay? But here you can see Bharat is pushing Raj from the bicycle and he takes the bicycle forcefully. And you can see Bharat is riding the bicycle. How does Raj feel? How does Bharat feel? Raj cries. He feels sad and angry. What do you think will happen next? You can see here Both are looking sad and angry. Why this is happening, children? Because both want to ride the bicycle at the same time. Raj and Varad both want to ride the bicycle at the same time. So they began to fight. And what does Varad do? Varad pushes Raj. Okay. So in this way, you can see both are sad and angry. Let's read the next lines. Raj taps the bicycle back. Raj and Varad shout. Sushma madam comes over. Raj, you look upset. And Varad, you seem angry. I want the bicycle, said Varad. I was on the bicycle. You pushed me. Don't do that, said Raj. Children, you can see here in this paragraph, the first line, Raj taps the bicycle. That means Raj also, when Varad pushes Raj, now you can see Raj is also doing the same mistake. What is Raj doing here now? Raj taps the bicycle back. That means he takes the bicycle forcefully from Varad and they began to shout. Both are shouting. In this picture, you can see children, both Raj and Varad are fighting and shouting. And when they are doing this, what happens? Sushma madam, you can see the lady in red. She is Sushma madam. She may be the teacher of them in their school. So when they are fighting, Sushma madam comes over. What does Sushma madam say? She says, Raj, you look upset, and Varad, you seem angry. So when she comes over, she asks Raj. What does she ask? She asks Raj, Raj, you look upset. Upset means sad. And Varad, you seem angry. I want the bicycle, said Varad. Then what did Varad say? Varad say that I want the bicycle. I was on the bicycle, you pushed me. Don't do that, said Raj. Then what did Raj say? Raj replied that I was on the bicycle, you pushed me. Don't do that again. So children, what is Raj telling here? That first he was on the bicycle and Varad pushed him. And then Raj tells Varad, don't do that again. Raj and Varad both want the bicycle. What could they do? Varad can have the bicycle when I have finished my turn. I will ride 3 times, said Raj. Then it is your turn. Okay, I will count. See here. Now there in this picture you can see both are fighting and shouting. But children, they come to a solution. Okay, they come to a solution. What is the solution? Raj is telling here, Varad can have the bicycle when I finished my turn. What is Raj telling here? Raj is telling to Varad that you can ride the bicycle when I finished my turn. So what is Raj telling? Raj is telling Varad that first he will ride the bicycle, then Varad will ride. Then Raj is telling, I will ride 3 times, then it is your turn. So next, what is telling? What is Raj telling? Raj is telling that he will ride 3 times. Then Varad can ride. So Varad is telling, okay, I will count. So Varad also tells, okay. Varad also listens to him and Varad says, okay, I will count. So what happens next? Let's turn the page number 40. They have worked it out. Raj is having a turn on the bicycle. Now it is Varad's turn. They both had a turn. How is Raj feeling now? How is Varad feeling now? So children, they have worked it out. What does that mean? it means that they have found a solution. And what is the solution? You can see here, first Raj is riding the bicycle, and afterwards, and after he finishes riding 3 times, then Varad is riding the bicycle. So they have found a solution. What is the solution? First, Raj will ride the bicycle, and when he finishes 3 rounds, how many rounds? 3 rounds. When he will finish 3 rounds, then Varad will ride. So you can see in this way, both are having their turn. One by one, both are having their turn on the bicycle. And you can see that both are having fun and both are looking happy. Children, so what we learn from this lesson? We learn that we should not fight with our friends. In fact, we should not fight with anyone. But in this lesson, we learn that we should not fight with our friends and we should always share our things with our friends. And sometimes if we are angry or don't understand the other friend, then you should sit down and you should work on a solution. Okay. So this is what Raj and Varad do in this lesson. What they are doing, they have worked out a solution. They don't continue fighting till the end. In the end, what happens, children? In the end, Raj and Varad both have worked out a solution. And what is the solution? First, Raj will ride the bicycle, and when he finishes 3 rounds, then Varad will ride. And in this way, you can see both are having that turn on the bicycle, and both are having fun and both are happy also. Okay. So we have learned in this lesson that we should share our things with our friends. Below some questions are given. Who is on the bicycle? Answer will be Raj. What do Raj and Varad want? They both want the bicycle. How many rounds do Raj and Varad have? Raj and Varad have 3 rounds. And below you can see some sentences are given. If it is happy, then you have to draw a smiley face and you will write in the blank happy. And if it is sad, then you will draw a sad face and you will write there sad. Okay, that is a homework for you. Okay. Now it is time that we get back to our chat box. Have you understood the lesson, children? Yes. So read the lesson, okay, and do the homework that I have given you. Okay, that's all for today, children. We will meet tomorrow and learn something new. Bye and take care of yourself. Do the homework, all of you, on your English textbook. Page number 40. If it is happy, then you have to draw a smiley face. If it is sad, then you have to draw a sad face. And next to that, you will write there sad. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.